Hello everyone, welcome to a basic tutorial on how to start a VR project on Unreal Engine 4. You will first need to install the Unreal engine in the Epic Games launcher. You go down to Unreal Engine and then you press on library and press on the plus thing, install it and then press launch. Once you press launch, this right here will pop off, and for creating a VR project you need to go to games, virtual reality, and you can select with starter or not starter content. I'm gonna press with starter content, then you put your name, right? A tutor tutor tutorial sorry 33, then create project, right? Once you create your project, this right here will pop off and you can start with your basic project. All the important assets are placed in, like the player start uh, component and the sorry, let me look for it. I think it's this one. Yes, the nav mesh bounce volume, and that is, if you press P on your keyboard, you will see all the areas where the player can go and walk, And if you want to increase this area, sorry, you will need to go right here in the recast nav mesh default thing and change the agent radius to, I don't know, whatever you want. And you can increase, more or less the area where the player can walk. Also, you can add a new actor of this one. Let's say you don't really want the player to walk in certain area, right? Then you place this in an area, and that area is off bounds, right? And you can increase the. Let me see if I remember. Yep. You can increase the volume scale, and the player cannot walk in this corner because you said so, right? Also, to place a art asset thing, whatever you want to place in your project, you can go over here, press let's say a sphere. You can add it. Oh, you can press B again. So you add your sphere. You can also change the material to something else. Let's say concrete, right? And for this, you can also press on blueprint and just select and make a new blueprint for your sphere that you want to use, and go to BR template, blueprints, and then press on the grab component and place it in your uh, your actor, right? Press compile, save, and you cannot grab the sphere. So the thing is, right now I cannot do that because I don't really know how to play the game without the headset. Yes, I know it's a VR thing. But for if you have a VR headset, unlike me, you can using the player start. You can press VR preview, press there, and you can set up your headset, and you will see if it's all green, then you can play, the preview of the map. You can also place a VR pawn in your map, and it will act as another way of playing the game, but you will need to change on input, auto receive input, and place it on player 0 or player 1, and you can kinda change the blueprints on 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 the things. And sorry, I haven't used Unreal in a long time. You can change the blueprints to possess. um, the the pawn instead of the player, so you can just delete this, delete the player. It has the blueprint. Just the same thing. You can delete it. I'm not gonna delete it right now. You can just delete this one. And yeah, a way I think it will work. I haven't checked it out right now because I don't really have time to. Is to kind of copy paste the normal Unreal project and make a new blueprint in here, right? And place a pawn or a character, and do the blueprint to play without a headset. It will be it will take me a lot of time, so I don't really have time to do it right now. But I will figure it out uh, soon, right? So with all that, um, activate VR. Sorry, I'm reading the things I need to do. This is kind of weird. Okay, yeah, I think that's everything. Just have fun with your projects, and thank you, and bye bye.